Hi guys, in this video I'll be sharing some food that we had in Italy. The Italian meal course or meal structure has about 10 different courses,
Dinner.
but
So
in this
dinner is at
video I'll
8
just show
o'clock
you the
and
ones that
5,
we've
6,
had.
7. You come to have a drink and you get small things like bits of pizza, stuff on the bread. Yeah, I'm saying stuff on the bread because I really don't know what they are. Wanna cheers?
So Alba, the town that we're visiting, is very big on truffles, especially white truffles. So check out what we got.
This is ravioli with spinach inside and black truffles on top. The smell of the truffles is very strong. Hano has white truffles. And what's in your ravioli? Meat or
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese. They're really strong. So here goes. We're gonna try now. Wow. What's your opinion?
The taste is not the important part. The smell is the important part.
Okay, if you say
No,
so.
it's really so.
So fun fact about Italian meal structure. The meat, which is the secondo, is eaten all by itself.
Fillet and we got some truffles on top of it, right? We got some white black truffles on top. Begin.
Right after the meat course, we had our dessert. This here is tiramisu with some grated chocolate sprinkled on top.
This biscuit is different than everything else.
What did you say? Did you say something?
Yeah, that was a nice evening.
Barolo. It's a good one.
Okay, so what's for breakfast? I've heard that the Italians are very big on cakes. I guess that's true. There are over 5 cakes here. Water, coffee, of course. And due to the COVID situation, we weren't allowed to serve ourselves, so we were served cereals, Nutella, an assortment of cheese, eggs, hams, smoked and raw. There were also a lot of fruits, apples, pineapples, kiwis, yogurts, jams, chocolate spread, you name it, you got it.
After breakfast, we've decided to take a walk in the town. The town is quite big, huh, Hannah? And there's a lot of truffles here. There's a lot of truffle shops. And we've seen a lot. Let me tell you something, the smell is so strong. And I don't know, I ate late last night, so now I feel a little bit sick. And the truffle smell is not helping it because it's so strong. But anyways, enough of the talking, let me show you some truffles.
They sold the one that I bought yesterday night.
Wow, that's big.
156 grams. But I told the client, he's the one.
Yeah.
One in a million, like this.
Like this, yeah, it's beautiful.
Like beautiful guy. Like a beautiful guy.
So this is the black truffle. It's the white. Nice. So it's 1 o'clock or a little bit after 1 o'clock, and all the stores in the town have decided to close. So we're just walking around and looking for some soup because my tummy is still not feeling well. So we're going to look for some soup and sit and do nothing. See you guys when we get the soup. I found a carousel. Oh my god! Ah! And I'm going to go on the carousel. Yes, I'm going to have a ride. It's mega slow.
Later that evening, we decided to skip all the main courses and we did only the primi, which is the pasta. And we found this lovely restaurant on the corner and I had seafood pasta. It was delicious. While Hanno, he opted for lamb. Sorry, how could I forget? We did eat dessert. That's like a must. And that was our meal journey in Alba. It was very nice.